doing fireworks, guys. How many views? I'm recording, by the way.
Oh, great.
Just imagine.
A couple of big things that go boom is all we need.
Just imagine it launches one more. That's gonna be so funny. We just walk up to this and just go. Alright, what we launching next? Plane. What? Offensive jokes. Oh, okay. Yeet. Should I walk up to it and check on it? I was about to use your phone as a flipping stick.
Let's not do that. That's not a good thing.
Okay, it's confirmed. They're all launched.
Not everything's launched.
All of the things in that firework though. Atomic bomb. Oh yeah, it's only 6:45. I have a couple more minutes to go. You hear that?
Hours to go, baby doll.
A couple hours, couple minutes, same amount of time.
No, it's not.
I mean, same amount of speed.
Alright, these are the ones that go.
Oh, these are the big boys. Whoa. Chill. She's about to launch. Wait, look at the sky. We'll give you a good look. I wish.
Well, maybe we should have looked at the sky before we freaking played.
Talk about what? Yeah, Gamecocks sucked that day, today. No, it wasn't Gamecocks. The Gamecocks was doing good. It was the referees.
How much is left?
More like retarderies.
Well, we know them all now.
Wait, what?
Are we going back home?
No. There's no way.
I don't know, it's up to you.
I don't care.
Say no.
I can drive if you want to. We can.
That doesn't matter if it likes to clear and fire. You just throw a cup of water at it.
Alright, this is a big one.
Oh, this is the big boy. I'm getting back. Alright, guys, let's totally run into the woods.
Why are you going that way? You don't see it? Go back over there.
Dad, I can see it going off. It'll launch up there. End of story?
He's right. Come over here. End of story. Come on. Oh, stop it.
Okay. Alright, these are big bags. You better run.
Your daddy don't run for nothing. Oh, shit.
I feel my ears bleeding.
For that one?
Okay, good. 'Cause I
Like
think
10 more of them.
it knocked over the thing. So I was like, oh, God. Like, don't hit the trailer. Don't hit the 87.
It fell over?
Well, yeah, it always knocks it over.
Dang, it's that powerful?
Yeah.
Oh, that thing is smoking though.
Here, see one of these.
So, is that another one of those launcher things?
Yeah.
Okay. I just hope.
Launcher things?
Wait, don't cough on Daddy's phone. Like, you're putting all the germs on the screen.
It's not. I don't have COVID-19. I swear.
It doesn't matter. You still got, like...
And plus, it would be COVID-20 by now. Alright, I'm getting back. How do I get back if I'm holding it? I'm so stupid. Shh. We're straight up at the sky.
Shoot down the driveway.
Okay. I feel like putting one straight to the sky, okay? Wait.
Well, you make sure it's done for you.
Anybody in there?
Where's it at?
That's it. Hold on, I'm gonna face it this way just in case. You always face your stuff that way. Because if it didn't launch, at least it'll hit something that don't matter. It might hit a solid like that coal.
No, do not hit the 87.
The 87.
Alright,
Yes,
all we got,
it's the 87 Silverado SS. Like, do not hit that truck.
alright, all we got is 2 more of these. Another fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole!
And then
What?
5 more kabooms.
Kaboomies. What the? Let's try one of the kabooms. Kaboomies.
Oh, we gotta wait till New Year's too.
Yeah, let's try one of the kaboomies though. I wonder what they're like.
I feel like we're gonna keep them a week.
I feel like we should probably go.
If we wake them up, I won't care. Oh,
No, I care. Like,
they're not even asleep. No,
typically Slinky does not wake cats.
need to chase them like that.
Alright, we'll do one more kaboom and that's it for right now.
Oh, wait, it goes in there?
Yeah.
Wait, come
Kaboomals. Oh, kaboomals! Alright, I'm getting back. I want to play this in slow motion so bad. Ready? You better won, though.
I ain't running nowhere. I'm fine.
Go.
Yeah, if you won, I won. I can feel my ears bleeding. Kaboomals.
All right. Well, if we're leaving, I'm gonna walk down to pause for a few minutes.
Wait, we're not leaving.
Maybe it might be.
Well, guys, that was all the fireworks for now. I'm not going to do another episode. Yeah, that was only half full of fireworks. Goodbye.